Basic tips to take better care of your orchids. Watering. Find the perfect balance between watering so frequently that the soil becomes soggy, and so rarely that the soil gets too dry. For terrestrial and lithophytic varieties, just wait long enough to let the soil drain out before you water again. For epiphytes, mist 1 to 2 times a day depending on the plant's needs. Humidity. Since orchids don't always get their water from the soil, maintaining the right humidity levels is instrumental in keeping their stunning look. In dry areas, placing the plants in a humidity tray, or installing a humidifier near them can work. Ventilation. The more humid the conditions are around your orchid, the better ventilation it will need to avoid insects, fungus, and rotting. On the other hand, if a houseplant gets too much ventilation in dry conditions, it might dry up too quickly. Fertilization. Nitrogen fertilizers are usually recommended, while those with urea are best avoided. A balanced one such as a 20-20-20, or any urea-free fertilizer suitable for houseplants may do the job. Some people prefer fertilizing once a month, while others dilute it to apply weekly with water. Repotting. Most types need repotting once every 2 to 3 years, with a few exceptions that need to be repotted once a year. If any roots are growing out of the pot, or having issues with adequately draining the water, it might be time to repot. Just keep a careful eye on your orchid, and it will tell you if you are doing anything wrong. For example, if you see the leaves of your orchids turning dark green, it means it is getting less sunlight than it needs. Yellowing of the leaves means they are getting too much sun. So, you can adjust its growing conditions accordingly so the plant can get what it needs.